Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Kamusta kayong lahat? Hope everybody is doing fine. And today we're making winter tea. Our tea for everyone. And here's our ingredients. Of course, we're gonna need bottled water. We're gonna need some honey. And then like ginger. This is just like 2 pieces of ginger, small pieces. And then we're gonna need roselle. This is our hibiscus plant. And also we're gonna need lemon balm. This come from fresh from our garden. And some mint. So, and also we're gonna have some lemon. This is gonna be the whole lemon that we're gonna use. And first what I'm gonna do is cut this lemon into circles. Like just we're gonna take this tip off and also the other one. And the next thing we're gonna do is just cut it in half, and we're going to take the seeds of the lemon because the seeds will make it the lemon like bitter. So as you can see, it's like only get 1 seed here. We can save that to plant. And also another one over here. And nothing else. So that's it. They only get 2 seeds so far. So now what we gotta do is we're gonna pour our water in our pot. We're gonna pour it in our pot. So this whole like bottle will make at least like 3 cups of tea. So we gotta move this. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put our roselle. This is like the roselle will make it more taste better and also make a good color to our tea. Now next is our lemon. Just get our lemon. You can see lemon. So now what we're going to do is put our lemon balm and mint together. Just use a spoon. And then what's next we gotta do, we're going to turn our heater on, our stove on. And then the last one that we're going to put is our ginger, because our ginger need to be smashed to get the, like at least the spiciness up on it. Ginger is good for you. And here you go, the ginger. And now we're gonna put this ginger in our pot. Those ingredients that I put in there is like mostly good for you when you coughing and stuff. They are very good for your immune system. So we're just gonna wait till like this is like all the way boiled, when they are like boiling. And then when all the color and all the ingredients that we put is like mixed in together with all the flavor is come out. So we just gonna wait about like 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes of like putting them and it's start boiling, as you can see, it's the colors already turned. This is just a few like pieces of our roselle, and it's already give us a good color. And now what we gotta do is turn our pot off, and I have a teacup over here, and then we're just going for it. So as you you can see. This is what it looked like inside the our teacup, our cup. Now what we gotta do is we're gonna put it on our table. It's hot right now, so I'm gonna put some honey on it. Some people don't like use brown sugar or some sugar on it, but honey is the best with tea. Just peel, like, don't put too much. So we waited for 5 minutes to cool off, guys. So now it's cool and now we're ready to sip. First sip. This is so good. It's like you can taste the aroma of the roselle and lemon and also the mint that we have in here, and it is very delicious. So you can also drink this, guys. Like, you can wait till like it really cool down or put some ice in it. You can drink it cold or hot. But for me, I like it hot. So good. So here you go, guys. This is a nice this video, right? Nice video to make your tea. Hope y'all like this video, and please subscribe to my channel and please like and please press the notification button or notification bell for y'all to get more videos of me when I uploaded more. And I'll see y'all next time, and always remember to spread love, no hate.